Well, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be making this lovely, beautiful shoe ring holder. So let's begin. The things required are high heel shoe, some fabric, decorating paper, glue, scissors, scale, pencil and hot glue, and magazine. Now taking a single paper from the magazine and folding it into strips and cutting them, then fold them. Use at least 3 to 6 slips for making it a roll, then that makes it hard and strong. Now filling the front of the shoe with some magazine. Gluing the rolls. Now taking the fabric and covering the rolls with the fabric. Now sticking some decorative paper at the front as well as the heel. Placing the rings. I think it's a great gift for your loved ones. It looks great. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you all later. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.